Older.
Which got put near a boat one time, and then all is well.
Wait up! Wait.
Enough!
Easy. No. Oh, no, 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 no. Bandit.
Oh, enough! Okay, no treat. You don't want a treat. No, no.
No.
He understands.
Just fucking stay. I'm gonna have a word with him. He doesn't have to treat him that way. One thing that's really cool about this is that if you, for 1 second, put yourself in the perspective of Luke, or not Luke, sorry, in the perspective of Arvo, like, it literally is the same. Like, he is Carver. You know what I mean? Just that, like, every group to strangers is straight up the same. Like, I'm sure he's looking at us from the outside going like, damn, this is a fucking band of fascists right here. They stole my medication for my sister. They killed my sister. You know? You're a Carver supporter? Yeah, that's why I'm a Kenny supporter, too.
Yeah. Go on.
Well, that was a smart move. Just a little grabby.
Take the baby.
Okay.
Oh, excuse me.
What is it with you guys?
What do you mean?
Oh,
Let each other know.
man.
Oh, shut the fuck up, Bonnie.
Oh my God. Cooper, it might not be anymore. It's got this little one. Be gentle. Thank you. That's it, guys. What do you think about that? All done. Yep, all done.
Oh my god.
All done. We're all done.
Guess it took a woman to
Daisy, we're all done. Daisy, we're all done. We're all done. All done. All finished.
Yeah. You want a little bit of sexo too? Exact kind I gave Jane. You know, the kind that made her come back for seconds.
For what?
Luke the madman. He's gonna do it. He's gonna do the double sexo run. What we couldn't do, Luke is gonna do.
How are you feeling?
Being honest, been better. Lean up against a tree. After what?
He didn't die in vain.
Hold on. Hold on.
I could have done more. But that ain't up for debate.